that standard lift motor that used to be up here with a jackshaft motor. You can see typically either you have an electrician run a new outlet over there, or we can staple a wire there pretty clean. We still have to run a wire for the wall button, which usually stops there, so we have to get in the cord as well. Very bright LED. You can see it's a lot brighter than that light. Usually pitch the track up a little bit if it's standard lift. So you can see wires come over here. They have some other stuff going on with like security system and whatnot, but they're pretty clean. Comes with an automatic deadbolt. So every time you run or operate it, it automatically engages or disengages. It's pretty slick. It does come with your LED wall console. Tells you temperature, time, error messages.